Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I will prepare a chicken and mushroom pie. For the dough I'm going to use 180 grams of flour, 60 milliliters of water, 60 milliliters of sunflower oil, a pinch of salt and 5 grams of baking powder. Guys, I'm going to put in a little pan the water and the oil to heat up very well. Until the oil and the water will heat up, I'm going to mix here the flour, the baking powder and the salt. When the oil and the water reach the boiling point, I add it over the flour and mix and knead. And I'm going to use my hands now. Knead the dough for a little while. I wrap the dough in cling film and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. For the filling I'm going to use whatever I have left in the fridge, and I made the pizza the other day and I have mushrooms, onion. I'm going to use a little bit of butter, also a bit of sunflower oil, lots of cheeses. I have here Parmigiano, mozzarella and a mix of cheeses, and of course salt and pepper by taste. I'm going to cut the chicken breasts in smaller pieces. I'm going to slice the mushrooms and also I'm going to cut the onion. In a frying pan, add the butter and 2 tablespoons of oil and let the butter melt. Add also here in the pan the chicken meat. And toss around the chicken meat in order to fry on both sides. Add salt and pepper. I remove the chicken meat from the pan into a bowl. And I'm adding the mushroom here in the pan. I'm going to let them fry for a little bit and evaporate the water to reduce them. Add a bit of salt over them, not too much. Add here over the mushroom the onion and let it get softer. The mushrooms have softened, the onion as well. I'm going to turn off the heat and remove this from the pan over the chicken meat. You can add more spices if you want here, but I'm going to keep it simple. I'm mixing the chicken meat with the mushrooms and the onion, and I'm going to let them cool for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to spread the dough. And I'm going to add over the chicken meat and the mushroom a bit of the cheeses that I have here. But I'm going to save some cheese to put on top of the pie as well. I'm placing the dough with the baking paper in a round shaped tin, and I'm going to pour the mix, the filling inside of the dough. On top I'm going to add Parmigiano and the rest of the cheese that I have in the bag. And I'm going to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or so. And this is how the pie is looking after I baked it. The pie is delicious, served warm or cold, and for sure I will make it again. Thanks for being here today. I hope you'll have a great day, and don't forget to be happy whatever you do. I'll see you next time here on Happy Dish with a Dessert.